Hi, my name is Avon.helton, and I'm either your child's keyboarding teacher or their computer science teacher this year here at Creighton. Sixth grade, the class is keyboarding, and seventh is Discovering Computer Science Part 1, and eighth grade is Discovering Computer Science Part 2. With the seventh and eighth grade classes, they do receive 1/2 high school credit, which means that once they go to high school with the successful completion of both classes, they will satisfy their graduation component for computer science. Yay! Course requirements can be located on the team's page within the student's class notebook on the content library section, okay? Every day we will be meeting via Teams. Calendar invites are sent out whenever your child's class starts so that they don't need to do anything extra to be able to log in every day. And the times are as follows. 8E1 is 8:30 to 9:10. 8E2 is 9:15 to 9:55. 7E1 is 10 o'clock to 10:40. 7E2 is 10:45 to 11:25. 6E1 is 11:35 to 12:15. 6E2 is 12:20 to 1 o'clock. Attendance is taken daily at the beginning and end of each class, and there's also a report that we run so that we can see exactly how many minutes students are logged on to classes. In sixth grade, we will be focusing on keyboarding mastery, so they will be required to be able to type at least 25 words per minute with no more than 3 errors on a 3-minute time writing. Grades for all classes are as follows. Summative assessments are 50%, and formatives are 50% as well. So that is a change from last year. All assignments are over 50% of your student's grade. All grades will be posted to PowerSchool. Could take a couple days for everything to be graded depending upon what the project itself is. Excuse me. If a student needs extra help, RTI time for related arts is every Friday at 2 p.m. I normally ask during class which students need to come to RTI. If a child does not want to say it verbally, that's fine. They can send me a message via the team's private chat, or they can send me an email, whatever works for them. Each child is expected to come to class on time and ready to work. They're treat others with dignity and respect, determining all assignments, and not to harass or bully anyone else. We want our online space to be a safe space, okay? Students are also to remain muted until called on, as well as actively participate when called on. Every day in class, we'll either have a bell ringer or an exit slip, and it will be outlined each day as to which one we're going to do, and the students have gotten into the habit. So they actually asked me, Miss Helton, do we have a bell ringer today? Do we have an exit slip? And they're posted. These are 2 samples, one of each. This is also a sample of our agendas that are posted on the team's page. It shows whatever we're doing for that day, as well as this is the sample page from our standards. All right, some of our platforms that we'll be working on is Microsoft Office 365 or Teams. For 7th and 8th grade, we'll be using code.org, and these are just some sample projects from students from last year and the year before, as well as BrainPop for 6th, 7th, and 8th grade. We've used that for our digital citizenship or digital literacy component these past 2 weeks. For keyboarding, we will be using EduTyping and typing.com. Another platform that we use is Nearpod. It's an interactive platform that allows students to engage in the lesson and not just sit here and listen to me talk. We have questions embedded so that they're in charge of their learning experience as well. I know that seems like a lot of platforms, but all usernames and passwords will be student generated, and I will encourage all students to have them mimic their computer login so that they're easy to remember. All right, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to email me at avon.helton@richton1.org. Thank you and have a great day.